Friends, welcome back to this Panchayati Raj English series. Today we will take overview of Panchayati Raj in English, and tomorrow onwards we will teach each and everything in sequence in detail. So let's start this class. Panchayati Raj. Notice this word Panchayat. This word Panchayat consists of Panch and Ayat. There are two words, Panch and Ayat. So Panch stands for 5. Panch stands for 5 and Ayat means assembly. So assembly of 5 members, 5 elderly members, council of 5 elderly members, which used to rule over petty disputes, day-to-day disputes of villagers. They settle day-to-day disputes of villagers. Panchayat. This word Panchayat came from Rig Veda. This word Panchayat came from Rig Veda itself. Question will come. From where this word come? You will say Rig Veda. From where this word will come? Rig Veda. Rig Veda mentioned this word first time, Panchayat. Okay, so let's start. So in Vedic age, the Mukhiya, the head of this council was called Gramik. Directly question will come. In Vedic age, Gramik was the head or Sarpanch or Mukhiya of assembly. Gramik. In English we can write like Gramik, Gramik. Okay. Then later in Maurya period, you know Kauntil wrote Arthashastra. In Arthashastra, we find mention of Nagrik. This word Nagrik. So this word Nagrik doesn't mean citizen. Now it means citizen. Earlier this word used for the head of municipality in district, in cities. This word used Nagrik in Arthashastra. In Arthashastra we also find this word Pur. Pur is also used in Arthashastra. So what we see? We see that from the Vedic age itself, these society have this concept of Panchayat, assembly, local self-government rule. These concepts were already present in our history, and this concept just evolved over the time. We will see how Chola, Sultanate, British, Mayo, Ripon, Minto, Montague, Srimanarayan, everything will cover. Okay, so after Vedic era we see little bit development in Maurya period, then Gupta period, then Buddhist, then Jaina. Those are not important. We will directly skip to this Chola period is very important. If question comes, which kingdom or which era has best representation of Panchayati Raj or local self-government rule, you will say Chola. Chola has best administration in village level also and in district level also. In both levels, Chola has proven, Chola has given benchmark proven administration in village and district level. Then we have Sultanate period. Sultanate period is very important because you have 3 important officials, 3: Patwari, Mukaddam and Chaudhary. I will teach everything in detail, so don't worry, this is just overview class. So we have Patwari, Mukaddam, Chaudhary. These 3 officials were there in Sultanate period. In Mughal period, there was no development, no advancement in local self-government rule or Panchayati. Even that time, it was in backward trend. In Mughal era, all the things, all the administration were seen by Jamidar and Jagirdars. There were no local popular participation by public. Okay, so in British era, now British era is very important. In British era, Lord Cornwallis first time started for tax collection. Lord Cornwallis started little bit decentralization for tax collection. This was the first attempt, but Lord Mayo is credited to bring forward the first attempt to create local self-government rule for 3 things: health, education and tax. In 1870. But this wasn't succeeded, this failed. After that, in 1882, Lord Ripon came, and Lord Ripon is known as father of local self-government rule. father of local self government rule, because Lord Ripon brought Magna Carta bill, local self government rule bill, which is called Magna Carta. Very important, very important bill, Magna Carta. It gave power to public. Now public were, normal public can be member of board, various boards. 2/3 majority of board were by public, by normal people, elected officials were in majority by 2/3. I will teach everything in detail, don't worry. Then Minto in 1909, little bit improvement. In Montague, Government of India Act, Montague Reform 1919 Act, we see major improvement, major advancement in Panchayati Raj system. What we see here, the Panchayat system or local self government system were given the responsibilities and subjects, on which subject the Panchayat or municipality will work. These subjects were decided and given to Panchayati Raj systems in 1990 in Montague reforms. Then we see this period, see 1946 to 1950, this period saw huge developments in Panchayati Raj system. Efforts were made by Sriman Narayan Agrawal. He was very active Gandhian politician, Sriman Narayan Agrawal, and due to his attempt, due to his effort, you see local self government rule found place in DPSP. In DPSP is in part 4 and article number 40. So even before the constitutionalization of Panchayati Raj system, we find Panchayati Raj system had already found the place in part 4 article 40 in DPSP, directive principle of state policy. But it is in DPSP, so it was not enforceable in courts, it was not enforceable. So after our independence, first government formed by Chacha Nehru, and he brought this CDP, Community Development Program, in 1952 to allow local people participation in village level, rural level development. What are the needs of rural people, what is the need of particular village, they should be able to decide on which subject they have to work. So CDP, but it was failed due to mismanaged by authorities. And then you have NES, National Extension Service, in 1953. In 1953 we have, it was just little bit improvement over CDP, but it also failed. Then we have this major development, B.R. Mehta, Balwant Rai Mehta committee was appointed by Nehru government, Balwant Rai Mehta committee, to see over CDP, NES, why these committees, why these programs were failed, and what recommendation Balwant Rai Mehta gave to fulfill these objectives of rural area. So we have Balwant Rai Mehta committee. So Balwant Rai Mehta said to make Panchayat Raj system popular and strong, and he made three-tier system. At the top, district Panchayat or Jila Panchayat you can say, then you have Mandal or block level Panchayat, and last Gram Panchayat. At the bottom, Gram Panchayat or village Panchayat. So 3-tier system was given by Balwant Rai Mehta. Many recommendations were given by Balwant Rai Mehta. I am just taking overview. I will teach everything in detail. Today is only overview. After that, the report was submitted in 1957 by B.R. Mehta. After that, after 20 years, approx 20 years, in 1977, Ashok Mehta, Morarji Desai government appointed this committee, Ashok Mehta committee, and this committee recommended 2-tier system, Jila Panchayat and Mandal Panchayat. Ashok Mehta committee recommended to abolish the Gram Panchayat. Okay. Then we have G.V.K. Rao in 1985, and it recommended 4-tier system. 4-tier system recommended by G.V.K. Rao. Then we have Singhvi, very important, or I can say after Balwant Rai Mehta, this is the most important committee. Why? First time ever this committee mentioned and suggested make Panchayati Raj constitutional, give proper place in constitution. Who said this? Singhvi committee said this. When 1988, very important. After that, Rajiv Gandhi appointed one more committee, Thungan Committee, and Thungan Committee also recommended to make this Panchayati Raj constitutional. So after that, Rajiv Gandhi tried to make constitutional and brought forward two bills, 64 and 65. 64 and 65. 64 for Panchayati Raj and 65 for Nagari Nikaya or municipalities. But it failed, and after that Narasimha Rao government came. Narasimha Rao government came in 1992. First Rajiv Gandhi tried 64 and 65 in 1991. In 1991 both bill failed. After that Narasimha Rao. Credit goes to Narasimha Rao. Credit goes to Narasimha Rao. This was the man who made Panchayati Raj system constitutional. Huge credit goes to Narasimha Rao, and he brought 71 and 72 bill. Later on, the nomenclature and the sequence was changed, so it became 73 and 74. 73 for Panchayati Raj and 74 for municipalities. Okay, this was for Panchayati Raj. So this was the overview, and we have taken from Vedic era to constitutionalization of Panchayati Raj system. Friends, I will teach each and every topic in very detail, and tell me your feedback. How did you find this class? And also give suggestion. Thank you. We'll meet in next class.